In today's video, we will talk about how to prepare your Mogra Jasmine plant for abundant flowering. The Mogra Jasmine plant is a tropical plant that requires a warm climate for good growth and flowering. Mogra is also a heavy feeder, so for repotting, we need to prepare a nutrient-rich soil mix. Before repotting, we need to prune its branches and trim the roots. After removing the plant from the pot, we also need to cut the roots around the sides of the root ball. This will provide sufficient space for root growth in the new pot. Trimming the roots will encourage the growth of new feeder roots and increase nutrient uptake, thereby boosting plant growth. The plant will also be able to absorb any fertilizers we provide more efficiently. Regarding the potting soil mix, I have used equal parts of soil, sand, coco peat and rice husk. The soil has been dried and finely sifted. The sand has been sieved to remove pebbles and stones, and the coco peat has been thoroughly washed before use. Mix all four ingredients well and then add an equal amount of cow dung manure to the total volume of the mixture. The cow dung manure should be well rotated and dried in the sun. The cow dung manure needs to be dried and finely crushed before use. I have used a 12-inch pot. Broken pot pieces or similar materials can be used to cover the drainage hole, and then we need to fill it with potting mix. After repotting the Mogra Jasmine plant, before watering, we need to dissolve a teaspoon of Bavestin fungicide in the water. If Bavestin is not available, you can use Trichoderma or similar products. After watering, place it in a location that receives full sunlight from the very first day. This will encourage new growth to start quickly. Friends, this is the first update after 28 days. New shoots are now emerging from every node on all the branches, and the growth is quite good. This is the second update 33 days later. The plant is now showing growth and buds have started to form. The size of the buds will increase further from here, and then we will add some necessary fertilizers to prevent the buds from dropping. This is the third update 47 days later. The buds have started to mature and some have even begun to bloom. Now, to prevent the buds from dropping, I will apply some essential fertilizers. I am using liquid fertilizer made from mustard cake, to which I have also added NPK 0050. Mustard cake liquid fertilizer is a warm natured fertilizer. Applying it to Mogra plants will trigger the simultaneous blooming of many buds. The NPK 0050 we have added will prevent bud drop and ensure that the buds develop to the correct size and bloom properly. This is the fourth update 53 days later, and now many buds have started blooming together. If you also want to get abundant flowering from your Mogra Jasmine plant, you can order that fertilizer by sending a WhatsApp message to the number shown on the screen. Regarding the ideal temperature for reporting Mogra Jasmine plants, you can report them in temperature ranging from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.